do some
I can't lie, some of these numbers look ridiculous, but it makes sense.
1 million vehicles, let's say at an
One,
average selling.
yes, you read the title correctly. Tesla to invest up to 12 billion. Not million, 12 billion by 2022. Are they going to do it? Well, I'm sure. Damn, I'm excited to find out if that's going to be the case or not. But with all of that being said, YouTube is Ronnie MP. Whoop, whoop.
It's RonnieMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP, the show where we bring you guys a bunch of videos suggested by you guys, and guess who? You guys only. So if you are brand new to the channel, in fact, make sure you comment down in the comment section down below your suggestions and all of that great stuff, because not only do I read all the comments, but I respond to them as well. So it'll be nice to have a little conversation down there. Do you get what I mean? So whilst it's there, be sure to do it right now. But if you are new to the channel, then be sure please to destroy that like button, and then not only destroy it but shake it. You see that? Oh, there we go. Oh, I like that shake. Damn, are you feeling strong today? You not only are you looking beautiful, but you're looking very strong. So I like that. And for all the fellas out there, you're looking handsome. But if you're new to the channel, as I mentioned, we talk about personal finance, finance, everything finance basically. So, and we're learning. We're a massive learner. We're a student. We are a student, so we're planning to just absorb and just learn everything. So, in regards to the whole Tesla, I'm due to make an update for you guys, portfolio update for Trading 212. But things aren't looking too great right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not impressed. But you will see when that video drops. But without further ado, anyways, I want to watch this Tesla stuff. So let's go.
Welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So we have some breaking Tesla-related
trading
news this morning, thanks to Electric. We've just learned, thanks to Tesla's 10Q form, that they intend on investing up to 12 billion with a B dollars in building new factories and facilities.
And not only with a B, but with a capital B. $12 billion. Do you know? Oh my days, how much that is. Insane.
We already know that legacy automakers stand on the precipice of a precarious cliff. Well, with this announcement, Tesla has effectively given the last of them a nudge and, well, yeah, that's what's going to happen later this decade. So let's get into the article. But first, don't forget, if you guys would like a few free stocks,
Webull.
3 in fact, check out the link in the description to Webull, open a new account. Let's read the article. Tesla announces up to $12 billion investment for electric car and battery factories in just 2 years. Now,
that's absolutely
anyone attempting
insane.
to compete with Tesla reading this is probably just shit the bed. Rip them. I mean, what are you going to do? We weren't surprised about this. Tesla has been telling us for some time they intend on growing around 50% per annum as long as possible. This is in line with that plan. Let's read.
Wow.
Tesla has updated its capital.
It seems like they haven't been lying.
To confirm a plan to invest up to $12 billion on its new electric car and battery factories in just 2 years. It marks an acceleration
in just 2 years. So that's literally working at a $6 billion per year. I don't know about you, but that's absolutely insane. Hence to why I mean, I wasn't really a fan of like individual stocks and whatnot, but more and more I'm just like, I kind of want to take that risk. You know, what would happen if I invested like I don't know, like at least a grand into Tesla. I mean, I might get some positive returns, you know, but so far not too great. But you'll see when I do the updates on my portfolio for Trading 212, you know.
Production capacity. During the conference call following Tesla's Q3 2020 earnings, Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn warned that the company is increasing its planned capital expenditures. Now, Tesla has released its 10Q SEC filing for the quarter and has clarified its investment plan. Owing and subject to the foregoing, as well as the pipeline of announced projects under development and all other continuing infrastructure growth, we currently expect our capital expenditures to be at the high end of our range of 2.5 to 3.5 billion in 2020, an increase to 4.5 to 6 billion in each of the next 2 fiscal years.
Wow.
That's up to 12 billion over a 2-year period. 2021, and 2022. Tesla explains that the money will go to deploying new production capacity at several factories under construction and in development. We are simultaneously ramping new products in Model Y and Solar Roof, constructing manufacturing
Don't forget to
facilities
like
on 3 continents,
videos.
and piloting the development and manufacture
Guys.
of new battery cell technologies. And the pace of our capital spend may vary depending on overall priority among projects, the pace at which we meet milestones, production adjustments to and among our various projects, increased capital efficiencies, and the addition of new projects. While the company is planning
You see
to
the
spend
thing
a
I
lot
love-
more money, it's
The thing I love about this guy is you can see he does like in-depth research. It's not just like, okay, all right, Tesla's planning on investing 12 billion. Bye bye. It's more like, okay, cool. He's reading and going into like a bunch of stuff that the average person just doesn't sit there and think, oh, I'm gonna research about Tesla and find. You get what I mean? So props to him, man. Massive shout out to solving the money problem. But let's get back to the video and
plans to
see.
remain marginally profitable. Tesla adds, notwithstanding the capital-intensive projects that are in progress or planned, our business is now consistently generating cash flow from operations in excess of our level of capital spend. And in the third quarter of 2020, we also reduced the use of our working capital credit facilities. We expect our ability to be self-funding to continue as long as macroeconomic factors support current trends in our sales. Combined with better working capital management resulting in shorter days sales outstanding than days payable outstanding, our sales growth is also facilitating positive cash generation. We also opportunistically strengthened our liquidity through an at-the-market offering of common stock in September 2020 with net proceeds to us of approximately $4.97 billion. Now, here's something that I showed you guys a few days ago on one of my
now
recent
this looks
videos,
interesting.
my estimates for Tesla's production capacity. Now, this isn't deliveries. Production
2020.
capacity is never going to be the amount of vehicles produced because there's downtime, repairs, maintenance, holidays, etc. But this is just a little bit of a guide to show you that I was expecting by 2022, 3 new unannounced factories to begin construction by Tesla. This seems to align with these projections now of spending up to $12 billion. So maybe it was a lucky guess, maybe a little bit of informed speculation, but I will say it in no uncertain terms. In 2022, I expect Tesla to have announced and or be constructing 3 new factories that we currently do not know about. Not Berlin, not Austin, not expanding Shanghai or Fremont. No, new facilities. Of course, time will tell, but here's my prediction. Of course, those were production capacity estimates. Here are my actual production estimates. They're running at about 85% of production capacity. And we can see for 2022, I've got a ballpark figure of around 1.8 million vehicle deliveries. 2021, just
delivered as well. That is insane. So not only produced, but delivered, doorstep, as well as, I remember last time on my other video I was like literally driving a Tesla or owning a Tesla is like owning a massive iPhone or iPad, because let's not forget you can do updates over the air, meaning you press a button or you purchase something off the Tesla website, you press a button and it's instantly in your car, as in like now your car couldn't drive itself, now it could drive itself. Like, you know, the way you download on the iPhone, you go to the Apple store and you download and install a new update. That's the exact same thing. So I just think there's so much power in that. It might be overvalued. It might not. Whatever speculation is going around. For me, that doesn't matter, because I genuinely think if you look at the company overall, where they plan to go and what they're currently achieving, it will make you realize, maybe there's something here. You know, maybe I do need to invest. So hence to why I've started doing so. I hope I don't regret it.
And 2022.
If I do, I'll keep it honest with you guys. I'll tell you guys.
To 2021. Now, whether or not this plays out, anybody's guess, but I'm happy to put this on the record. And you guys, please remind me in a year or two whether I was right or wrong. And just in case anyone missed my recent video, here are my projections for Tesla deliveries,
I missed this.
not production, deliveries from 2020 all the way through to 2030. Now, of course, with the S-curve ramping, these numbers could go out very far either way if things slow down or speed up by a year or two. That's the nature of an S-curve, an exponential growth ramp. But here's the numbers that I'm looking for. They sound completely ridiculous, but they also math out. What are you going to do? Let's do some ballpark numbers just for the hell of it.
22
Let's
million.
say in 2021, Tesla delivers just 1 million vehicles. Let's say at an average selling price, conservatively, of $45,000 a pop. Cool. So Tesla, just for vehicle sales alone in 2021, if they sell around 1 million vehicles at $45K a pop, that's $45 billion in revenue. Now,
with a capital B. The maths doesn't lie. Numbers don't lie. hips don't lie, but numbers don't. Shakira. But if you didn't get that, then okay, it is what it is. But yeah, the numbers seems to not be lying. I mean, these are some projections, or these are projections that you think they can actually do it. Like, I can actually see Tesla doing that. Like, yeah, it's mad. Like, it's like we're living in a different world right now.
Approximately 2 million
from what
cars
they've
sold,
achieved.
same average selling price. That's about
$90
$90
billion
billion of revenue in 2022 just from vehicle sales. If Tesla sells about 2 million vehicles, that's insane. Tesla's 2019 revenue was about $25 billion, almost a quadrupling within 2 years, and that's not including solar and batteries. So let's just call it a quadrupling of Tesla's revenue in 2 years, because there'll be batteries, solar, other bits and pieces as well. This is the absurd level of growth that I'm so excited about, and why I'm still throwing every spare cent that I have into Tesla stock, because I still truly believe we're so early on in their ramp. This company is going to dominate EVs, energy generation, transportation, energy storage, and energy distribution. Mark my words. Now, a few of you might be watching.
Whoa! That was. You know what? Smash the like button for that, because that was. When he said "mark my words," it got scary there. It just made me feel like, oh my days, I need to invest more in Tesla. But I mean, that's the strategy behind, or that's the thoughts behind my thoughts. But that's what I had in mind. Is like, I just felt like I was playing it too safe, especially knowing you've got a beast such as Tesla just sitting there on the side with unlimited power, unlimited potential. I just felt like, I want some of that pie. I want that pie, that Tesla pie. That's what I want. So, hence to why, I had to make a split in my portfolio by, pulling out of everything that was in Vanguard S&P 500 and just redistribute it pretty much. But yeah, as I mentioned, there's an update on the portfolio coming, so stay tuned. But this is really good, man. I'm enjoying this video.
What a moron. He's a deluded Tesla fanboy. It must be because he's all in on Tesla stock. He's got no idea what he's talking about.
I don't believe that.
Well, if that's how you feel, then I can't wait to tell you what I think is going to happen in 2030. Let's run those numbers now. Again, if you suck at math, okay, I'll do you the favor. All we need to do is 10x that 90 billion, because that goes from 2 million to 20 million vehicle deliveries with an average selling price of $45,000. Look, maybe it's less in the future, costs come down, but there's the autonomous component. Let's just keep the number simple. That equates to $900 billion of automotive revenue in 2030, just from Tesla selling vehicles, if they're selling around 20 million vehicles. Now again, this sounds completely ludicrous, borderline insane. I get it, but I'm sticking by it. Now, that's almost $1 trillion of revenue in 10 years' time, just from automotive sales for Tesla. They expect the energy business will eventually grow to be about the same size as the automotive business too. Do the numbers. Again, this is why I'm putting every spare cent into Tesla stock at the moment. This is the future that I see playing out. And since you've made it this far in the video, I'm going to leave you with one final prediction. Please hold me accountable. In 2030, my worst case scenario is that Tesla will bring in over $1 trillion of revenue in total as a business. And in the best case scenario, it will be well in excess of 2, maybe 3+ trillion dollars. Factoring in autonomy, auto bidder, energy generation, storage, and...
Guys, are you listening to how interesting this is? Please. Honestly, this is so juicy. Like, am I the only one who's finding this, like... Am I the only one who's geeked out, like... But nah, honestly speaking, like... And I honestly believe like the future is Tesla. Right now it might seem a bit ludicrous, like cars driving themselves, but I honestly believe like it's going to be so normal for you to get into a self-driving car, you sat at the back, like just a normal Uber that picks you up and drops you anywhere, wherever you want to go. It's going to drop you, and then the car returns to its owner, whoever owns that Tesla, and they've just been paid and they've just made money, however you want to phrase it. So that to me just seems absolutely, I know, it seems mad, but I can see Tesla doing that. That's the crazy thing. So I just can't wait until I own a Tesla, man. Honestly speaking, I'll be just, oh my days, it'll be like Christmas 5 times. Honestly speaking, like...
I sound completely insane.
No, you don't, my friend. Trust me.
Also, do you think that the insane prediction that I've made is actually realistic, or it's also insane?
No, I think it's realistic.
Brian, this is Solving the Money Problem, and I love you all.
Love
And
you
don't
too,
forget your
man.
Free stocks with Webull and Stake using the links below.
Don't-
Open a
and
new
yeah.
Webull account, deposit $100
Oh my
and you'll get 2 free stocks.
Days. Don't forget, guys. Just like he just said, Trading 212 link is in the description. Grab it right now. A free share so you can get started in trading, especially if you're in the UK. Best platform so far that I'm using, personally. So, that was a lot of information, but it was a lot of juicy information that we want. We want to be exposed to that kind of information or that level of information because it helps us decide or make educated decisions and guesses, if you want to call them guesses, but I will stick with educated decisions on whether we should buy some more Tesla or not, whether we should invest in another company or not, like what should we do. But I'm sticking by Tesla is going to dominate. You just watch. You just heard Solving the Money Problem mention it, highlight every single thing, every single research that he's come across that's leading him to think the way he's thinking. And it makes sense as well. Funny enough, I mean, my brain is telling me it shouldn't make sense, but it actually does. So that's the scary part. So I mean, let's see what Tesla has for us. But honestly speaking, I am excited. I am gassed, as they would say, because the future really does look bright. So if you've enjoyed this video, then definitely smash that like button. As I said, it means a lot. It means literally a ton for me. Destroy that like button. It helps get this video out in front of entrepreneurs such as you and me. But click that subscribe button and all of that great stuff. By watching this video, you did not waste your time. Do not forget to tell your haters to get in line. I'll catch you on the next video. Check out this video right here. Subscribe button is right there. Wow, the future looks great. I can't wait to buy some more shares right now. But yeah, bye bye.